tiga. 1, 2, 3. Banyak. 4.
In Jumeirah Road.
Jumeirah hotel lah.
Is this a hotel?
Yeah, that one is Al Qasr Hotel. Al Qasr.
6 star, 7 star.
No, 5 star.
Ini lagi banyak kuda tengok. Baby tu kuda baby. Banyak kuda tengok.
Look it on the right side, luxury car. Look it on the right side, luxury cars.
Luxury car. Oh, luxury car. Oh.
Ini kita sampai hotel mana? Hotel mana kita sampai ni?
Ada Al-Qasr. Al-Qasr. Ni dia jual.
Terang saja tengok.
Tengok kita kuda tu tunjuk kuda angkat kita.
Tengok west
Masuk tu kuda angkat kita.
Ramai ke? Semua.
Kuda angkat kita.
No, not allowed.
Cannot.
Not allowed.
Kuda angkat kita.
Enter is not allowed, but
Oh, I see.
only tourists, that's why they will allow. Look it on the don't scare. Don't scare. On the right side, don't scare.
Lihat dah.
It's very nice.
Wow.
Oh, very good.
Banyak.
Very good. Macam dekat yang
Oh.
Korang ingat tak masa kita go ke hotel tu, hotel tu tunjuk something like that? Ingat tak?
si banyak berlari. Si baca kira. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
The one is gold plated house.
Oh, boleh
Gold plated house.
Oh, boleh terus.
Ni rumah mak.
Hmm?
8,
Forward.
10 horses ke?
Forward.
10 horses.
Which way? Yeah. No, this is my own road.
Tak, terkeluar. Kita try baju tadi.
This is my own road. Yeah.
So, okay, Azan, if like that, we just skip the Atlantis
Mm-hmm.
Atlantis way. We go next time. We go to the Dubai Mall for the water fountain.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I can Newton. Okay?
Mak kata gold sword dah nak pergi.
Now we have to go Burj Khalifa. After we will go Gold Souk, right? Okay? I said okay.
So, Siti sekali dia kata yang okay, no, it's okay. You could just go to Atlantis. You just go to Atlantis. Dubai Mall we go tomorrow.
Huh?
The Dubai Mall, we can go next time.
Next time.
Yeah. You go to Atlantis.
Atlantis now?
Yeah, yes.
Oh my god.
Is it okay or you already U-turn?
Yeah, no problem. No.
Sebab you nak dah
U-turn is here.
Sebab abang tu beritahu activity esok tu mungkin dekat dengan ni boleh pergi. Dekat dengan apa?
It's good. It's good question.
Sikit.
You are thinking or not? Because they're with me. No, they're with me. This is a big question.
Terloteh lah.
Oh my god.
Berapa Ustaz?
Really, you don't have.
Ikat balik. Dengan kena ikat balik. Tadi mungkin pakai baju.
Take care. I will talk to you later. Bye.
Voice. Slow so.
Hari tu tak ada flight.
Look it on the right side. The one is King Relative House. King Relative House.
Facing the sea, eh?
Yeah.
Seaside.
Back side of sea.
Rumah kecil si barang tanah besar. Rumah tak saya, tanah dia besar. Ya, baik sini.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Macam kata.
ke?
Macam kita makan mango fresh kan.
Ha.
Mak mango tak dapat ke?
Ada sini tak masuk. Paling mana memang banyak. Sini banyak Pakistan. Paling sedap.
Kat sana mak beli tiket macam mana? Dapat tak? Kena call pakai line sini lah. Okey tak, minta mak sini buat. Sini ada beli SIM card. So sini tak beli. Lambat kalau tak beli lah.
Kau ni apa trade center?
Cantik lah tengok bangunan-bangunan dia dalam ni. Ni dia tak boleh zoom lah kat sini. Pasal jauh ni. Ahead is Marina Dubai.
Oh, this one is Marina Dubai.
That one is Marina Dubai.
Apa ke apa tanya kemarin kat dia kata kat Marina Dubai.
And our right side, Palm Atlantis.
Oh, dia. Atlantis lah, bukan? Sebab dia kita main tahu apa dia senyum je.
Ha, bagus tak bagus.
Ha, dia main tadi ingat apa di sini je kan? Baik.
Kali ni lah.
Tapi dia kata seronok
Tu
lah.
baru satu orang kecil tu.
Seronok tak? Dalam ni semua cantik kan sebab saiz kopi dia bagi tahu. Everyone, look at here. Where we are now.
Oh.
We are here now.
Oh, kita dekat Atlantis Palm tu.
Nampak dia.
Kita dekat mana?
Yes. Look at on the right side. The one is Burj Al Arab. This is a sea. Behind of private beach.
Habis.
Private beach.
Layu beach.
Kalau tak kita nak pergi main di water park kat situ lah, theme park tu.
Kalau di bawah.
Yang dekat
Oh,
Atlantis tu.
ada.
Tak jadi sebab mak ini pun dah pening dah.
Dah.
Dah susah
Dah
letih.
mandi dah.
Tapi kau pun letih kat dalam.
Look on the map.
Letih, kena tidur dah.
We are going there. Inside the sea.
You take the train metro can see that.
Yeah. This blue one is our car. Blue one is our car. Now is Don's car. After that, end of the palm tree. Just now we are into the Palm Atlantis.
Palm Atlantis.
Yeah, this is name of Palm Jumeirah.
Palm Jumeirah. Ini Palm Jumeirah.
And the big one, that one is Nakhil Mall. Nakhil Mall. This one. Oh my thing. You want to? I forget about the monorail. You want to take a monorail, right?
Yes.
No problem.
We want
Now,
to see the view.
listen.
Okay.
Now, I drop you on the last station. You will come take to one way from that side. I will come to pick you here. No
No,
problem.
no, we go around the inside the building first.
Yeah.
If
This
you
is
go
same.
around this,
If you go same like this or come same like that, is same.
okay, like the monorail. Then we go around the what you call the Atlantis, yeah?
Now we go with the van first.
We go the web, go inside, full go inside shop, go eat ice cream, eat ice cream all there.
No. Okay, what my mama means is we go to the Atlantis Palm by van, by this bus. Okay,
No.
but come back with the monorail.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Last
Yes.
monorail,
Now I drop you in Palm Atlantis. There is a monorail station. I drop you over there.
Yeah.
You take monorail, come to the monorail. I come myself, bring you over there. Okay? When you come, take a metro, monorail. You will
We
see.
take time there to
everything.
eat some ice cream because someone said the ice cream here is nice.
Yeah, there is have everything. I will drop you over there.
we go around, at least 1 hour, then we take monorail, last monorail. Straight get down, the last stop, finish. Then you go back.
Yeah.
Okay. Can go back.
There is have everything, ice cream and everything over there
Yeah,
inside.
okay.
I will explain you, no problem.
Kahil.
Nakhil Mall. Yeah, that's good. This is a new mall.
So last time now, no?
Yeah, just now before 1 year they are making.
Kemudian.
Look at everybody Atlantis. Palm Atlantis. That one is hotel.
Yang tu ni, lepas dah kita kembang tu. Itu ada di sana.
This is a monorail track upside.
Petrol.
When you come back from here.
Okay.
Samir, go there.
Yeah. Look, Royal Atlantis Hotel, new one. His shape is very nice looking. On the right side. Look it, everybody. Royal Atlantis, new one. That one, that one, that one.
Oh, yang tu. Baik saja. Shape dia betul ya.
Yeah, Royal Atlantis.
7 star.
No, 5 star, but it's new. Look at that.
Pelik pula. Kotak-kotak. Terus susu kotak sini kan?
Box,
Box ya.
Very nice. Now we are going underwater tunnel. Upside is water.
Iya juga.
Sekarang ni kita dekat underwater lah.
Atas air lah.
Kau tak faham kan ni?
Atas air lah.
Air laut lah.
Siapa yang tak percaya tu? Sebab tu dia jadi Imran.
Makan nasi dah cukup. Kilala kenapa? Kilala.
Tak, nama kedai tu macam gambar Ramlela kan?
Apa nama dia?
Ramlela
Lak apa? Lak lela ke apa?
Lakila.
Askila. Hanya lagi.
Seashore. Sea.
Yeah, see. The one is Arabian Sea.
Oh.
Arabian Sea.
Siapa nak terjun?
Palm Atlantis on the right side. This is the entrance.
Okay.
There is have inside ice cream or anything. Everything is inside. And inside have aquarium and also inside have everything. This is a monorail station. Okay.
So once we finish there, we take the monorail.
Yeah.
from
First
here.
you go there. You ice cream or anything. Then you come here. Take a monorail. Now take a last station.
Last station.
Okay.
Okay.
When you get down last station, I am over there.
Okay.
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 Take care.
Okay.
Take care.